This is a basic guide to download, install, and set up the MT4 platform for GoToYou.com. Once you have logged in to GoToYou.com website, please look for the download area for MT4. Click on the MT4 icon and click Save As and select a desktop to save the MT4.exe file on your desktop. Once it's downloaded, you will see a Sinosound.exe file on your desktop. Double-click the file. A pop-up window will appear. Click Next, and then click Yes to the license agreement. Click Next again, and start installing the MT4 software. Click Finish to exit the installation window. The software is installed on your computer successfully now. You'll find a shortcut icon of GoToYou, which is Sinosound's MT4 on your desktop. Click to open the MT4 software. Fill up all required information accordingly. Click Next and install the Sinosound demo account. A login number and a default password are automatically generated in this process. Click Finish, and now you have logged in to your demo account. As this is your first time installation, you will see your charge window shows Waiting for Update. Go to Window, click New Window. And now you'll see the real-time chart. You will also receive an email from Sinosound about your registration.